will be drawing the cartoon character Phineas Flynn. This drawing is quite easy. It will be a great tutorial for beginners. You can download the printable coloring page of this drawing for free by clicking the link in the description. If you have your paper and pencils ready, let's start drawing. Step 1. Drawing the outline of the head start by drawing the triangular shape of Phineas Flynn's head. Then, add 3 dots near his temples. Step 2. Drawing the hair. Draw Phineas's spiky hair on top of his head. Step 3. Drawing the face. Add the round shape of Phineas's eyes. Then, create a curved line for his mouth. Don't forget to erase any excess lines. Step 4. Drawing the arms. Shape the sleeves of Phineas's shirt. Then, draw the shape of his arms as shown. Step 5. Drawing the shirt. Draw the color around the base of his head. Now, outline the vertical shape of his shirt. Step 6. Adding stripes. Add the stripe pattern of Phineas's shirt by drawing evenly spaced lines as shown in the picture. Step 7. Shaping the shorts. Create the shape of his shorts. Then, add a pocket to the side. Step 8. Drawing the legs. Draw Phineas's slender legs under his shorts. Then, create the shape of his shoes. Step 9. Coloring the Phineas Flynn character. First, color his eyes and shoes with white and dark blue. Then, use red for his hair. Now, fill in his shirt with yellow and orange. Next, use dark blue for his shorts. Finally, shade his skin with peach.